Let's have fun practicing Spanish. We'll start with a brief introduction to today's topic, then dive into an engaging story. Listen closely, because there will be questions to test your understanding. At the end, you'll get to decide what happens next in this interactive adventure. Let's quickly learn a bit about numbers 0 to 10 in Spanish. It's easy and useful for counting and understanding basic quantities. In Spanish, the numbers from 0 to 4 are
0, 1, 2, 3,
and
4.
these numbers are used in the same way as in English, for example,
Tengo 2 gatos.
which means I have 2 cats, or
Ella tiene 3 hermanos.
which translates to she has 3 siblings. Learning these basic numbers will help you understand and express simple quantities in Spanish, making it easier to communicate in everyday situations. Let's start with the story.
Fernando y Ana están en la casa de Fernando. Ana es la mente de Fernando.
Hola, Ana. ¿Cómo estás?
Hola, Fernando. Estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú?
Bien, gracias. Hoy vamos a aprender números. ¿Listo?
Sí, listo. ¿Empezamos con 0?
Sí, 0. Luego, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Question. What are Fernando and Ana going to learn today? Answer 1. Animals. Answer 2. Numbers. Answer 3. Colors. The correct answer is number 2. Fernando mentioned that they are going to learn numbers today. Let's continue with the story.
Fernando saca una hoja de papel con números.
Mira, Ana. Aquí están los números. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ah, entiendo. 0 es nada. 1 es 1.
Sí, correcto. ¿Y 2?
2 es 2. 3 es 3. 4 es 4.
Muy bien, Ana. Ahora, ¿puedes contar del 0 al 4?
Sí. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Question. What did Fernando show to Ana? Answer 1. A photo album. Answer 2. A piece of paper with numbers. Answer 3. A map of the city. The correct answer is number 2. Fernando showed Ana a piece of paper with numbers written on it to help her learn to count from 0 to 4. Do you like this kind of story? Like and subscribe now to hear more. We post a new story every day. Let's continue with the story.
Fernando sonríe y saca una caja con objetos.
Ahora, vamos a usar objetos. Aquí hay una caja.
¿Qué hay en la caja?
Hay manzanas. ¿Cuántas manzanas hay?
No sé. Vamos a contar.
Sí, contemos juntos. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Question. What is inside the box that Fernando shows? Answer 1. Apples. Answer 2. Toys. Answer 3. Books. The correct answer is number 1. Fernando mentions that there are apples inside the box when he shows it to Ana. Now you can choose how the story continues. Option 1. Ana finds something strange in the box. Option 2. Fernando and Ana decide to count more objects. Click on one option to decide what happens next.